Hello Vivians, I hope you are enjoying at home. I am Neeru ma'am, your nursery class teacher. Children, today we will learn about English alphabet. Alphabet means a set of letters. There are 26 letters in English language. We can write these letters in two ways. First is in capital letters and second is in small letters. Children, do you know why learning alphabet is important? Because alphabet is foundation of any language. With the help of alphabet, a child is able to make words and then use those words in small sentences. Whenever we have to learn any language, first we have to learn alphabet of that language. Children, you have already done capital A in your previous class. In nursery class, you will revise capital A and learn about small a. To learn alphabet, first we do the reading. This is your language picture dictionary. Open page number 2 of this book. See here, this is capital A and this is small a. The sound of A is A. A says A. A says A. Children, first point to the alphabet and then point to the picture. Do like ma'am. A astronaut, A axe, A arrow, A ant, A apple, A aloe vera, A actress, A alligator, A ambulance, A ad. To recognize the alphabet, first we do tracing. Join your finger like this. Take a slanting line up and bring it down and draw a horizontal line in the middle. This is capital A. Now look here, make a semicircle, a vertical line going up and bring that line down. This is small a. Now air tracing. Take a slanting line up and bring it down and draw a horizontal line in the middle. This is a capital A. Now small a. Make a semicircle, a vertical line going up and bring that line down. Now we will do sand tracing. Take a slanting line up and bring it down and draw a horizontal line in the middle. This is capital A. Now make a semicircle, a vertical line going up and bring that line down. This is small a. You can also trace on your mom's back. Tracing is an effective way to teach. Tracing is a great way to learn alphabet, can help simplify a complicated work, great way to learn, boost confidence, fine motor control, pre-writing skills. Do tracing the words which has been written, it goes in the tactile memory of the child, so he can easily learn it. Tracing is a fun. Children, here is a fun activity for you. Do tearing and pasting with newspaper in capital A and do color with red crayon in small a. Children, do this activity with the help of your mom. I hope you will enjoy this activity. By the end of the lesson, children will be able to identify the alphabet through speaking, listening, reading, phonic sound and increase the vocabulary. Parents, you are requested to help their kids to give practice 3 to 4 times daily. Bye kids, stay healthy and safe inside.